What you're looking at is the Barracuda 500, a new cruise missile that could decide the fate of Taiwan. Its most powerful feature isn't its warhead or its range. It's the price tag, a stunning $216,000 for the cost of a single advanced Chinese warship. Taiwan could launch a swarm of hundreds of these, with China's nuclear arsenal surging and new Guam killer missiles threatening us bases. This cheap weapon is Taiwan's answer. But will it be enough to stop a Chinese military that U.S. intelligence says could be ready by 2027? Stick around, because the details of this U.S.-Taiwan partnership are more shocking than you think. There's a date that has become a focal point for military planners in Washington: Taipei and Beijing 2020. This isn't just a random year. It's a deadline that has reshaped defense budgets and military strategy across the entire Pacific. Understanding why this date matters is the key to understanding why a missile that costs just $216,000 could change everything. The alarm was first sounded in March of 2021. Admiral Philip Davidson, then the commander of all U.S. forces in the Pacific, gave a stark warning to the Senate Armed Services Committee. He stated that the threat of a Chinese invasion of Taiwan is manifest during this decade. In fact, in the next 6 years, that timeline was immediately dubbed the Davidson window, establishing 2027 as the moment when the danger would be at its peak. This wasn't just one admiral's opinion. Soon after, CIA Director William Burns confirmed it, stating that U.S. intelligence showed Chinese President Xi Jinping had ordered his military to be ready to conduct a successful invasion by that year. So what's so special about 2027 for China, a year loaded with symbolic power? It marks the 100th anniversary of the founding of the People's Liberation Army, and she has demanded that his forces achieve key modernization goals by then. It's also the year he's expected to secure an unprecedented fourth term as China's leader, creating a powerful political incentive to show progress on his promise of national rejuvenation, which for him includes unifying. With Taiwan, this deadline has lit a fire under defense planners. It has directly influenced us spending, with the Pacific Deterrence Initiative receiving $6